Hey, it's Jeff from ID10T Garage, and I'm back out here, about to get to work on the 66 Mustang swap to a 01 GT. Today, we're going to work on the quarters. I'm going to try to get these quarters off. This one I'm probably going to dice up quite a bit. But I'm going to try to take the plasma all across the wheel well, then start working down this section and so on, and then we'll work our way over to that side. We'll see how it goes. I'm hoping the plasma works pretty good for this, but you never know. I've got to use my blankets and leather jacket to kind of make sure no sparks go towards the gas, so I will be wrapping that up and doing some prevention there and so on and so forth. So let's get to it. Alright guys, here it is. I got all of this down the wheel well all the way to the back cut off. I went and took the spot welds out at the back. That way we could save that drop down panel and our stop right there. So we need to cut all the way along and account for the sensor there, my turnover sensor, and so I'll have to do some cleanup before I hack that side up, but still need to get this pinch weld taken care of. Sorry to pull it off a little bit, but all in all, halfway to go-kart mode, getting closer and closer to being able to at least start fitting the 66 body on this 01 GT. Hey, day 2, back out here working on the quarters, about to plasma cut across the wheel well for the most part, then get out the wheel and start cutting, so back to it. Alright guys, after lunch I came back out here and got the rear taken off. Got this little back section and the remainder of the rocker off. I thought I was recording it, but I wasn't, but there it is. Both sides, the back. Mounted the rollover switch here. So I just kind of chopped it up and made a little L bracket and fit it right there for temporary purposes. So good stuff. Gonna try to reuse the rear trunk lid mounts. So I'm gonna try to make it where I can use the electronic trunk mount. I don't know if that'll work or not, but we'll see. Also came back and finally chopped that little section off there to make room. So this is ready to go back in at this point. Probably need to go ahead and put it back in and wire everything back up and see if the car still runs. But we'll see. I'm pretty tired at this point. I do need to still kind of hack across this whole front section. I think we're just going to go along this body line right here and go all the way across to give some more room to drop the actual cowl of the 66 down further. Tons to do still. So, all right, peace.